So I'm gonna do a quick video this morning, just showing what I look for every day. I'm gonna try to do this video every morning. Um, so today, start off on the daily chart. It's just what I do, and just go down because I told you, like I said before, the main thing is using your high time frames to get your buys for today and executing on your lower time frame. So the buys for today, this purple line is all-time high. So obviously, I'm bullish because I think we're gonna hit it. But the only thing is, tomorrow is FOMC. So like ICT say a lot, Monday and Tuesday is usually just a lot of chop, which yesterday wasn't because I think of the war announcement was ending. But today we might not get much movement because tomorrow is FOMC meeting. So a lot of people is waiting on what the decision is or how they talk about what's gonna happen as far as interest rates in the future. So today might not get to all-time highs, or it might shoot through it. I mean, who knows? But I'm really not expecting to trade. Put it like that. If I can see a setup, I take a setup. But if I don't see anything, I won't take it. I mean, but I'm not expecting to trade, and that's how you should go into it every morning. Not expecting to trade. Like I said, I'm a boring trader. I take 1 to 3 trades a week. Um, so I mean, I'm not taking a lot of trades. I know when you first start off, you want to how you gonna make money? Just take 1 to 3 trades. It's about how much you risk, not about how many trades you take. I mean, you see people taking 20 trades a day. I don't know how they do that, but I used to take 10 a day and I was losing. Like I said, I'm not really winning now. I'm about at break even trader, but I just need to get over the hump, and hopefully trying to talk about this all the time will help me. But anyway, so today, start off on the day. I'm rambling too much. I'm trying to keep this video short. So start off on the day. Um, like I said, I just marked the all-time highs, and you got this daily. You got the new week gap still open, so we could come back and get this tomorrow FOMC. We could take out the all-time highs, and then tomorrow after 2 o'clock we'll come all the way back down to the. But my buys are still bullish today. 4 hour, go down, then I go down to the 4 hour chart, and I usually try to mark my liquidities on the 4 hour chart. So you just start on the right side and come in and go down to the first pivot, which is here. And I don't like when the ES and NQ are not in sync, because look, if you look at here, this pivot is good, both the same pivot, but up here, you see how this pivot is not. Oh, I need to get. I marked this up earlier, so I need to get rid of this. So anyway, oh yeah, this is what I was trying to say. You see how this NQ done already took this and ES hasn't, but I'm gonna mark it because that's a SMT, and we might be able to use that later. And I marked out my 4 hour. Like yesterday, I got caught up in this, but I marked out my 4 hour on the ES bearish fair value gap. So I would not take a long inside here. I take a short, but I won't take a long. And hopefully at 10 o'clock we close. Well, no, I'm sorry. This is a 60-minute fair value gap. So at 8 o'clock, if we close above this, we'll be looking to take long into all-time highs, which is the plan. You go down to the 1 hour. I really didn't mark up much on the 1 hour. You just look up. If you have 4 hour here and 4 hour here, 4 hour here and 4 hour here, and you have an hour inside here, I really don't pay attention to it because the 4 hours are bigger than the 1 hours, and the 4 hours more will draw on the price than a 1 hour. So the bigger the fair value gap as far as time always is more important than the smaller one. So if this is just say this was a 5-minute fair value gap and this was a 60-minute fair value gap, I would care more about the draw towards this 60 than towards this 5. If you understand it. So anyway, so this 1 hour, hopefully we close over this at 8. And hopefully we don't get to this before 9:30. So what I'm expecting, what I'm hoping is we close somewhere up in here. Let's go down to the 5-minute. What I'm hoping, we close up in here before 9:30. We just go up to here. At 9:30, we come back down to here and shoot back up to there, to the all-time high. That's the plan. Come back down into this bearish fair value gap and push it back up to this all-time high. That's the plan today.